Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and today I have for you a first look at the all-new Teak Star cutting board collection by Edge of Belgravia. Whether you cook at home or professionally, a chef always has two essentials in the kitchen, a good set of knives and a good cutting board to go with it. Now the latter might sound a bit basic, right? After all, a cutting board is just something that you cut on, so what's the big deal? Well, it turns out not all cutting boards are created equal, and if you've ever owned one that cracked or split, you already know that to be the case. With the Teak Star cutting boards, you get beautifully designed pieces that are both functional and durable. There are 3 cutting boards in this collection currently available on Kickstarter. A small 9.8-inch board and large 13.8-inch boards with or without the juice trench. Each Teak Star is made from sustainably sourced solid teak wood stacked in layers and cut into the shape of a hexagon, then polished to a satin feel for a tough, resilient finish. The cutting boards might feel a bit greasy out of the box as they're pre-seasoned with teak wood oil to resist water damage, dry rot, and warping. Because these cutting boards are so thick, at 1.5 inches they're quite heavy, but with their unique look and artful design, you probably won't mind leaving them out on a counter. The small board weighs in at 3.6 pounds and the larger ones at 6.4 pounds each. The heavy weight, however, has the added benefit of keeping the board stationary when cutting to keep your work surface stable and your hands safe. If you back the Kickstarter reward level that includes the Arondite knives from Edge of Belgravia, the full set includes 7 fully stainless steel knives. These knives are nicely balanced, super sharp out of the box, and easy to handle. Need paper-thin tomato slices? Try the chef's knife or scalloped slicing knife. The large boards are perfect for food prep, and all of them make for excellent decorative serving trays and cheese boards. Even after all that chopping, slicing, and mincing, the tough surface of these boards show only minor evidence of wear. My favorite board is the large one with the juice trench, which can hold up to 2 ounces of liquid. It's great for slicing up juicy fruits and serving roasts. Pouring off the juice if you want to save it, however, can be a little tricky given the unique shape of the board. For cleaning and maintenance, be sure to use teak wood oil to periodically refresh the waterproof qualities of the board and gently hand wash only. These boards are not dishwasher safe. Whether you're a professional or home chef, the Teak Star cutting boards make a handsome addition to your culinary tool arsenal that you can be proud to have in your kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. Be sure to check out the project on Kickstarter and back it if you'd like a set of your own using the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.